Check out this giant baby bottle filled with lots and lots of gummy balls. Lots of colors in here. Let's see what else we have in here. What's this? It's Snow White with her clip-on dress. Isn't she pretty? I wonder what will happen if we put blue gumballs inside the microwave. Let's see who we get. I think I know who this is. Do you? It's Cinderella. She's wearing her blue dress. Now, I wonder who we get if we put yellow gumballs inside the microwave. It's the beautiful Princess Belle. She's wearing her yellow dress. Isn't her dress super pretty and very fancy? Now, let's see who we get if we put pink gumballs inside the microwave. It's Aurora. Aurora is wearing her pretty pink dress. Now, how about we try one red and one orange gumball? I wonder who we get this time. It's Rapunzel. She's wearing her purple dress and she has really long hair. Isn't she pretty? I think so. Now let's see what happens if we put 2 green gumballs inside the microwave. I wonder who we get this time. It's Princess Ariel. And this time she's not wearing her mermaid outfit. She's wearing her pretty pink and white dress. And she has beautiful long red hair. She is beautiful, don't you think so? Whoa, let's see what toys are hiding inside these bottles. Let's see who's inside SpongeBob's bottle. Here's Mr. SpongeBob. His bottle is yellow. Let's see what we have inside. I hear something. It's slime. Let's see what toy we have. It's Mommy Pig. She's all slimy. She's really slimy. Let's get her cleaned up. Our next bottle is strawberry shortcake. Here she is. Her bottle is pink. Let's see what she has inside. Oh, I see a toy, and I think I know who it is. It's Nemo. And next is Thomas. Thomas's bottle is blue. Here he is. Choo-choo. Choo-choo. Let's see what we have inside. I think I know who this is too. It's a little pony from My Little Pony. And check this out. This pony sticks. Cool, right? Our next surprise comes from the inside of Mickey Mouse's bottle. His bottle is red. Here's Mr. Mickey Mouse. Let's see what we have inside. Lots of slime. And I think I see a toy. Do you know who this is? It's Daddy Pig. He is all slimy. Isn't he cute?
Lost my partner, what'll I do? Lost my partner, what'll I do? Lost my partner, what'll I do? Skip to my loo, my dog.
Our next surprise is Mr. Hulk. His bottle is green. He looks angry. Let's see who we have inside. I see slime. And no toy yet. I think I hear a toy. Do you hear that? Do you know who this is? This is Dory. Isn't she cute? Our last bottle is Patrick's bottle. And Patrick is SpongeBob's best friend. His bottle is orange. Let's see who you're hiding inside. I just see slime, but let's see. No toy yet, just slime. What's this? It's a little dinosaur. It's a cute, tiny little dinosaur. Well, let's see what's hiding inside the crayons. I wonder what's inside Rocky's crayon. Rocky's crayon is green. Let's see what's inside. It looks like we have a chocolate surprise egg. It's a Star Wars surprise egg. Let's see. Oh no! Where is this surprise? Oh, it's right here. And here's our surprise. Now let's see what else is inside the crayon. It's a bunch of green toys. Green. Now, let's see what's inside Sky's crayon. Here's Sky. And her crayon is pink. And we have a Peppa Pig chocolate surprise. I wonder if we'll get Peppa. Oh no! Where's the surprise? Let's see. Oh, I think it's right here. And let's see who we get. I think I know who this is. Here's our flyer of all the toys we can get. And this time, we got Mommy Pig. Isn't she cute? And here are a bunch of pink toys. We have a pink pig, a worm, pink ice cream, flowers, pink frosting on a donut, and a pink heart that says "Be Mine" on it. It's all pink. Now let's see what's inside Chase's crayon. Here's Chase. And his crayon is blue. Whoa, I think we have another Star Wars chocolate surprise egg. I think I know where our toy is. Yep, it's right here. What else do we have in here? Let's see. We have a blue fish, blue eyeglasses, blue bear, blue boat, blue backpack, and a blue reindeer. All the toys in here are blue. Now, let's see what's inside Marshall's crayon. His crayon is red. What's this? It's a Finding Dory chocolate egg. I think I know where our toy is. It's in here. Yep, let's see who we get. Here's the flyer. And here's our toy. There we go. And now let's see what toys we have inside the red crayon. We get a red apple, red fire hydrant, red fire truck, a red crab, a slice of tomato that's also red, and one red strawberry. All the toys in here are red. Now let's see who's inside Rubble's crayon. Here's Rubble, and his this crayon is yellow. It's Peppa Pig. Well, I think I know where our toy is. It's right here. I wonder who we get this time. Do we get Peppa Pig this time? No, I think we get Daddy Pig. Here's another flyer. And here is our toy. Now let's see what else we get inside the yellow egg. Or the yellow crayon, I should say. We get a yellow banana, yellow school bus, yellow potato chip, yellow starfish, yellow lion, yellow lemon, and a tiny little yellow leaf. All the toys in here are yellow. Now, what's inside Everest's crayon? Here she is, Everest. Her crayon is purple. And first we have a Dory chocolate egg. And I bet our toy is not inside here. But I know where to find it. What's this? We have 2 toys from Dory. Whoa, let's see who we get this time. It's Dory. And let's see who's in here. Whoopsie. Cool. And let's see what else inside the purple crayon. We get our purple dragonfly, purple grapes, purple popsicles, purple fish, oh no! Purple butterfly, and a purple airplane. All the toys in here are purple. And let's see what's inside Rocky's crayon. Here's Rocky. And his crayon is orange. No chocolate egg in here. All we get is orange toys. We have an orange pumpkin, orange carrot, orange kitty cat, orange popsicle, yum yum, orange fish, and an orange pencil. All the toys in here are orange. So let's review our colors. Orange, purple, yellow, red, blue, pink, and green.